Videos, and you can get up to $1 a day. So you can get $1 a day if you're just on the app scrolling. That's it. That's it. Ladies and gentlemen, I need you to go now. Now. Time is running low. Well, not really. You got all the time in the world, but go.
Me, no cheat, face on beat, hair, big.
Now obviously I can't play the radio, but because I'm still waiting on the adapter plug for the radio, so then I can put this finally back in more secure. The bolts are in, only two of the bolts are in, one on this side, one on that side. See the bolt right there. I have still to take it out because I still have to put the adapter plug on, and then I can finally start putting the rest of the dashboard pieces on and all that. Because as you can see, it's all open and exposed right now. They're all sitting in the back seat right there, just sitting there, waiting to get put back on. As soon as I get the adapter plug for this, hopefully it'll be within the next day or two, and I can finally put all this dashboard pieces back together. So let me give you a rundown. Obviously, this is a Pioneer head unit. It's a $55 head unit. It's exactly what I needed. It's all here for the little features and stuff is all I wanted on here, and it'll be perfect for the person I'm giving this car away to. Yes, I'm giving this car away. I'm not keeping White Lightning. I'm giving her away. So, Pioneer $55 head unit. Then we got, that is a Rockville RXD T2 2-channel 600 RMS at 2-ohm amplifier, and it came with the wiring harness, the RCA cables, the wiring harness for the amp. This is a dual 10-inch vented box with a slot port with two 10-inch Scar Audio 4-ohm dual voice coil, ran in parallel into 2-ohm, running at 600 RMS. So these subs will match this amp perfectly. So this right here is 2,400 watts or 1,200 RMS, and the amplifier I have currently sitting only at like 1/3 gain and about half the bass boost. That's it. Just to kind of break these subs in. I still have some random stuff back here. I will be keeping this back here for the window wash fluid, but obviously I'm still working on the brake pads. I still have to put those on, so we need, you know, gonna keep my hands clean. Jack stands to keep the car up in the air. Some WD-40 and stuff like that is in here. I leave it in a plastic bag because if it leaks out, I don't want it all over the carpeting in the back of the trunk. Some work gloves, a wrench. Obviously I got the rear brake pads right there from Napa. So brake pads is all that is left on this car. That's it. Simple little car. And like I said, I'm not keeping this car. I'm giving it away. And that person I'm giving it away to, well, they already know about it. So they've already seen it. They've came to look at it. They've checked it out. They know they're receiving this car. They know that the sound system's in it, but from what they believe, and I have not told them this yet, is that, I don't know if you can see those in there. No, you ain't gonna be able to see those in there, but I have a set of old Pioneers sitting in the back of the SUV, which I will actually be taking those out. I'm not keeping those in the SUV because I actually got a brand new pair of subs for the truck. But what the new owner of this car doesn't know already is that the Scar Audios that are in the car are actually staying in the car. So what you see is what's staying. But yeah, And I've only put about $500 into this car, in the parts, buying the car, registering it, and putting the parts that I ordered and putting onto this car. It's only 500 bucks. That does not include the sound system, the head unit, the amp, the box, none of that. So in total, it's only about 750 bucks. But it's been about 7 years, I'd say, or 6 years, at least 6 years, since I've been able to do something for somebody else. And for me to be able to get to this point in my life where I can go, I'm gonna give you this. No questions, no cash back, not asking anything in return. For me to just pay it forward to somebody else that really needs something, like a daily commuter. Basic. And she's got 2 kids. 2 little boys she takes care of. You know, she does have a baby daddy, she knows who that is, but they're not together. You know, she's kind of supporting her 2 boys on her own. And she's been borrowing a vehicle that by July, she won't be able to borrow anymore. So, this will be ready for her when she needs it